In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set nightly rates in Ownerrez. We'll walk through the process slowly and clearly so you can update a nightly rate for a specific date without any confusion. This is useful anytime you want to adjust pricing for a particular night, whether you're responding to demand, filling a gap in your calendar, or simply correcting an existing rate. Start by going to Ownerrez and opening the main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. This is where you'll access the area needed to manage pricing. From that left side menu, click on Settings. After the Settings page opens, find and click on Nightly Rates. This will take you to the Rate Management area where you can control pricing tied to dates on your calendar. Once you're in Nightly Rates, select the date you want to change. Then click directly on that date in the calendar. This opens the options available for that specific night, which is important because you're not changing an entire rate rule here, you're updating a particular date. After clicking the date, choose Set Rates. This brings up the pricing options for that night. Next, look for the option labeled Set This Night to exactly this amount. Go ahead and select that option so you can manually enter a fixed nightly price. Click into the field for Set This Night to exactly this amount, and then type in the amount you want to charge for that night. Be careful when entering the number so the rate reflects exactly what you intend. This step overrides the price for that individual night, so it's a good idea to double check the value before saving it. Once the amount is entered, click Update. That will apply the new nightly rate to the selected date, and that's it. You've successfully set a nightly rate in Ownerrez for a specific night. If you're making several pricing changes, it can help to move carefully through each date one at a time so you don't accidentally apply the wrong amount. It's also a good habit to review the calendar after updating just to confirm the new rate appears where expected. Now you know how to set nightly rates in Ownerrez quickly and accurately.